Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and today we're diving into a fascinating area of medicine that's changing the game for patients with chronic conditions, implantable drug delivery systems, or IDDS for short. Now imagine a world where managing chronic conditions like diabetes or even battling cancer could be made simpler and more effective. That's the promise that IDDs holds. These tiny devices are implanted under the skin, and they deliver medication directly to the body, exactly where it's needed. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down how these systems work, explore their incredible potential across various medical fields, and address some of the challenges that still lie ahead. So buckle up, and let's get started. Let's kick things off by understanding the different types of IDDs out there. Each one is designed with a specific purpose in mind. First up, we have polymeric implants. These are like tiny drug depots made from special materials that slowly release medication over time. Think of it like a time-release capsule, but way more sophisticated. Then there are mechanical pumps, which are like little machines implanted under the skin. These pumps can be programmed to deliver precise doses of medication at specific times, giving doctors incredible control over treatment. Next, we have biodegradable systems, which are fascinating. These implants are designed to break down naturally within the body after they've delivered their medication payload. This eliminates the need for a second surgery to remove the device. Pretty cool, right? And lastly, we have non-biodegradable systems. These are designed for long-term use and are typically made from materials that the body tolerates well. Now that we've got a handle on the different types of IDDs, let's dive into the science behind how they actually work. Okay, so we know there are different types of IDDs, but how do they actually get the medicine into your system? Well, they rely on some pretty cool mechanisms. One common method is diffusion-controlled release. This is where the medication slowly diffuses out of the implant and into the surrounding tissues. It's like a slow and steady drip of medication. Another method is degradation-controlled release. Here, the implant itself gradually breaks down, releasing the medication as it does so. This is particularly useful for medications that need to be released over a long period. Then we have osmotic pumps, which use the body's own fluids to power the release of medication. These pumps contain a special compartment that draws in fluid, creating pressure that pushes the medication out. It's like a tiny self-powered drug delivery system. And finally, there are programmable pumps, which are the most high-tech of the bunch. These pumps can be remotely controlled to adjust the dosage or timing of medication delivery. This allows doctors to fine-tune treatment based on the patient's individual needs. So we've covered the types of IDDs and how they work, but let's talk about why they're such a big deal. IDDs is making waves in various medical fields, offering new hope for patients with chronic conditions. For starters, chronic pain management is being revolutionized by IDDS. Traditional pain medications often come with side effects and can be addictive. IDDs offers a targeted approach, delivering pain relief directly to the affected area, reducing the need for oral painkillers. Then there's cancer treatment. Chemotherapy can be incredibly tough on the body, but IDDs offers a way to deliver highly targeted doses of chemotherapy directly to tumors, minimizing damage to healthy cells. Diabetes management is another area where IDDs is changing lives. Imagine a future where insulin pumps are a thing of the past, replaced by tiny implants that automatically regulate blood sugar levels. This could be life-changing for millions of people living with diabetes. And it doesn't stop there. Hormone replacement therapy, neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease, and even ophthalmic conditions are benefiting from the precision and control that IDDS provides. Now, let's talk about the advantages of IDDS. One of the biggest perks is improved patient compliance. We all know how easy it is to forget to take our medications, but with IDDS, the medication is delivered automatically, ensuring patients receive the correct dosage at the right time. This is particularly crucial for conditions where consistent medication adherence is vital. Then there's targeted delivery, which we've touched upon. IDDs allows for medications to be delivered directly to the site of action, minimizing systemic side effects. This is a game changer for medications that can have harsh side effects when taken orally or intravenously. Another key advantage is controlled release. IDDs can be designed to release medication at a specific rate over a predetermined period. This ensures a consistent level of medication in the body, preventing the peaks and troughs associated with traditional drug delivery methods. And lastly, let's not forget about the potential for minimized side effects. By delivering medication directly to the target site, IDDs can often reduce the overall dose required, which in turn can minimize the risk of unwanted side effects. While the potential of IDDs is undeniable, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and limitations that come with this technology. One of the main hurdles is the surgical implantation procedure itself. While minimally invasive techniques are constantly evolving, implanting an IDDS still requires surgery, which carries inherent risks. Then there's the risk of device failure. Like any medical device, IDDS can malfunction, leading to complications such as dose dumping or a complete cessation of drug delivery. Ensuring the reliability and longevity of these devices is crucial. Biocompatibility is another concern. The materials used in IDDS need to be compatible with the human body to avoid triggering an immune response or causing inflammation. Researchers are constantly working on developing new, more biocompatible materials. Removal of the device, when necessary, can pose another challenge. Depending on the type of IDDs and its location, removal surgery can be complex. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room: cost. IDDs technology can be expensive, which can limit access for some patients. As with any new technology, the hope is that costs will decrease as research advances and production becomes more efficient. Despite the challenges, the future of IDDs is incredibly exciting. Researchers around the world are working tirelessly to improve these devices and unlock their full potential. One area of focus is the development of smart implants. Imagine IDDs that can monitor the body's response to medication and adjust the dosage accordingly, in real time. That's the power of smart technology. Then there's the miniaturization of IDDs. Scientists are creating nano and microscale devices that are even less invasive and can target specific cells or tissues with incredible accuracy. Biodegradable polymers are another hot topic in IDDS research. These materials offer the advantage of eliminating the need for device removal, as they naturally break down within the body. Wireless control and monitoring are also on the horizon. Imagine being able to adjust your medication dosage or monitor your implant's performance using your smartphone. This level of connectivity would revolutionize how we manage chronic conditions. And perhaps the most awe-inspiring future direction is the integration of IDDs with stem cell and gene therapy. Imagine using IDDs to deliver stem cells or gene editing tools directly to damaged tissues or organs. This could pave the way for regenerative medicine and potentially cure diseases that are currently considered incurable. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the innovative world of implantable drug delivery systems. As you've seen, IDDs has the potential to transform how we treat a wide range of medical conditions, offering new hope for a healthier future. While there are challenges to overcome, the rapid pace of research and development in this field is incredibly encouraging. From smart implants to nanoscale devices, the future of IDDS is brimming with possibilities. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of medical technology, and as always, stay informed and stay healthy.